Hi video creators, welcome back to UniFab's channel. Today I would like to introduce you a software called UniFab Video Converter, which can help you convert MOV videos to MP4 on Windows and Macs. Let's get started. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get UniFab Video Converter for free. Next, let's launch UniFab AI. On the homepage, you can see a lot of AI features. We select Converter and import the video. You can click on the video and see it playing smoothly. We can see the video information, click Output, choose Other Format. Here you can quickly select and convert the video format. On the right side of the software, you can click on Setting, where there are more advanced settings. You can fine-tune your video, such as codec, frame rate, encoding method. Finally, adjust the output position of the video and click Start. By checking media info, we can clearly see that the video has been successfully converted to MP4 format, retaining excellent image quality and audio effects. The conversion effect is very ideal. If you have any thoughts or experiences with this software, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.